The Nikon Z9 II is one of the most anticipated professional cameras of 2025, and Nikon seems ready to push the limits of what a mirrorless camera can do. After the success of the original Z9, which became a favorite among professional photographers and filmmakers, Nikon is preparing to deliver something even more powerful, faster, and smarter. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we explore the latest and most advanced gadgets in the world. If you thought the Z9 was the ultimate flagship, you'll want to hear what Nikon is planning for its successor. Let's begin with the release details. According to multiple reliable reports, the Nikon Z9 II is expected to be officially unveiled in late 2025, possibly around October or November, with shipping expected before the end of the year. Nikon has reportedly been testing prototypes with professional photographers since early 2024, and recent registration leaks from certification agencies strongly hint that the camera's launch is close. This is going to be Nikon's most important release since the original Z9, marking a major step forward in the company's mirrorless lineup. Now, let's talk about what's new. The Z9 II is rumored to feature an all-new stacked CMOS sensor, likely around 52 megapixels, which is a big jump from the 45.7 MP sensor on the first Z9. This sensor will reportedly deliver improved low-light performance, better color depth, and a wider dynamic range. Nikon has been focusing heavily on improving high ISO performance, so expect cleaner images even in extremely dark conditions. The new sensor is also designed to work hand-in-hand with Nikon's latest X9 image processor, which offers faster image processing, reduced rolling shutter, and improved buffer management. One of the most impressive upgrades is expected to be the autofocus system. The Z9's autofocus was already among the best in the world, but the Z9 II takes it further with a next-generation AI-powered subject detection system. It can track humans, animals, vehicles, and even birds in flight with improved accuracy. Nikon is rumored to have implemented a new deep learning model that allows the camera to recognize and focus on eyes even in low-contrast environments or when subjects are partially obscured. Speed is another area where the Z9 II is going to shine. Nikon is reportedly pushing for 30 frames per second in RAW and up to 120 frames per second in JPEG mode, which would make it one of the fastest full-frame cameras on the market. That makes it perfect for sports, wildlife, and any fast-action photography. The buffer has also been expanded to handle hundreds of continuous shots without slowing down. When it comes to video, Nikon is stepping into cinema territory. The Z9 II will reportedly support 8K 60 frames per second RAW video internally, along with 6K and 4K 120 frames per second options. Nikon has also improved its heat management system, meaning longer recording times without overheating. There's talk that the Z9 II will also include ProRes RAW and RAW, an H.265 recording built right in, making it an ideal choice for professional filmmakers who want flexibility in post-production. The body design of the Z9 II will stay familiar but with a few smart tweaks. Nikon is expected to use a new magnesium alloy and carbon composite hybrid frame, making it lighter while maintaining strength and durability. It will still be fully weather-sealed, designed to survive extreme shooting environments, from desert heat to freezing mountain peaks. The viewfinder and display are also getting big upgrades. The electronic viewfinder will reportedly have a 9.44 million OLED panel with zero blackout and a higher refresh rate for smoother tracking. The rear screen is rumored to be a fully articulating 3.5-inch 2.3M touchscreen, a major upgrade from the tilting screen of the original Z9. That makes it far more versatile for both stills and video. Battery performance is another area Nikon has improved. The Z9 II will likely use the same ENEL18D battery, but with new power optimization features thanks to the X9 processor, you can expect noticeably longer shooting times, especially useful when shooting 8K video or long bursts. USB-C PD fast charging is also supported, meaning you can quickly top up the camera even while in use. One of the most exciting features rumored for the Z9 II is the new hybrid cooling system. This combines passive heat dissipation with a discrete internal fan to manage thermals during extended video recording. Nikon is said to have developed this system to rival the Canon R5C and Sony A1 II when it comes to long-form 8K performance. In terms of connectivity, Nikon is adding more pro-level tools. Expect dual CF Express Type-B card slots, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and even wired LAN support for professional workflows. The Z9 II will also include Nikon's new SnapBridge 3.0 system for faster and more stable file transfers to mobile devices. Nikon is also improving the in-body image stabilization system. The Z9 II is expected to feature up to 8 stops of stabilization, making handheld shooting incredibly stable even at slower shutter speeds. Combine that with Nikon's growing line of Z-mount lenses, and this camera becomes a powerhouse for both photo and video creators. All these upgrades don't come cheap. Early pricing rumors suggest the Nikon Z9 II could launch at around $6,499, positioning it directly against Sony's A1 II and Canon's R1. But for professionals who demand the best, this camera might be worth every penny. It's clear that Nikon is serious about keeping its flagship at the top. The Z9 II represents not just an evolution, but a redefinition of what a flagship mirrorless camera can be. With a more powerful sensor, faster processor, improved autofocus, and world-class video specs, Nikon is aiming to dominate both the photography and cinema markets with one body. The original Z9 set a high standard, but the Z9 II looks ready to raise it even higher. Whether you're a wildlife photographer chasing speed or a filmmaker looking for the best dynamic range and flexibility, this could be the camera that changes your entire workflow. This is Tap Tech, bringing you the latest updates from the world of technology and innovation. If you're excited about the Nikon Z9 II and want to see how it compares to other upcoming cameras, stay tuned because there's a lot more coming soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.